In this video, I will provide instructions to editors on how to initiate a discussion using the discussion forum feature in Editorial Manager. For instructions on managing a discussion, please watch the Managing a Discussion video. The discussion forum feature enables editors to solicit informal opinions or feedback regarding a submission from other editors without changing the formal workflow responsibilities. Inviting an editor to a discussion also gives the invited editor access to view the PDF of the submission as well as any reviews and comments if they did not already have permission to do so. Editors with appropriate permissions can invite any editor within the journal to participate in a discussion unless the invitee has been anonymized to the submission, which is to avoid a conflict of interest. A discussion can be initiated at any point in the editorial workflow and it runs in parallel to the editorial workflow without affecting it. You can initiate multiple discussion topics for a submission, allowing editors to discuss different topics with different sets of editors if needed. Please note discussions are not anonymous. All participants in the discussion can see the names and corresponding comments of the other participants. In order to initiate a discussion, your editor role must have permission to do so. In addition, you must also be assigned to the submission or have the permission to view the submission. If you feel you should be able to initiate a discussion and you cannot do so, please contact your journal manager or other support contact for assistance. To initiate a discussion, locate the submission within the appropriate folder in your editor to-do list or via search submissions. For this example, I will initiate a discussion for a submission located in the new assignments folder. From the action column of the targeted submission, click Initiate Discussion option. The Initiate Discussion pop-up window will now be displayed. From here, enter a topic for the discussion in the topic field as well as your initial comments for the discussion in the initial comments field. Or if your journal has predefined topics, you will see a drop-down list which will allow you to choose a specific topic template for your discussion. In this example, I will enter these details manually. Next, select one or more editor candidates you would like to participate in the discussion from the Editor Candidates table by clicking the appropriate boxes in the Select column. Sorting first by current assignments and then by editor role will ensure your journal editors are displayed at the top of the list. Editors currently or formerly assigned to the submission are labeled in red next to their role. For each selected editor, you can grant permissions to view reviews and comments, download files, or view draft decision letter by checking the appropriate tick boxes there. Once you have selected the editors, click Proceed to customize letters to send an invitation. Note, you can initiate a discussion without sending an invitation by clicking Start Discussion without sending letters. In the Customize Letters pop-up window, confirm that the discussion forum invitation letter is selected. Then click Confirm Selections and Send Letters. An invitation will be sent to the selected editors and a confirmation page will be displayed. If the journal uses submission flags, you will also see a Set Flag button. Click Set Flag and assign the appropriate flag to the submission if required. If you are not aware if a flag is required, please contact a journal manager or other support contact for instructions. This is how you initiate a discussion using Editorial Manager's discussion forum feature. Please visit the Journal Article Publishing Support Center should you require further information. Thank you for watching.